Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB on this Sunday evening, 7 o'clock Sunday. We have a tune-up report on this Styker SR-447. Been doing a lot of 497s, just a couple 447s. This is from Melyssa in New Jersey. Melyssa, on this watt meter, I have 10, 20, 30 across the bottom here. Let me put that up closer for you. I set her up for just a hair over 10 there. And I'm going to change it to a 10 watt all the way across. Now it's 10. We're reading the top scale. Now I'll show you again. 10 watts. Then I can turn the watt down all the way down to about 1, a little over 1. Okay, we'll turn that back up. Let's go back to my peak reading watt meter. Has a 100 watt slug today. We're looking at the bottom scale, 20, 40, 60. See that?
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you? Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Audio. Audio, check, check. Audio, check.
Okay. Let's see what we got out here today. I always forget the speaker. There's a lot of noise out here, but nobody talking.
Everybody was waiting for you.
They were waiting for me to come out and try my Styker SR-447. That's what they were waiting for. That's right. Just doing a little overtime, Roger. And hello, American Eagle.
10-4 on the overtime. Well, that's good. Go on, make the running and run.
So we just got done with this one and wanted to try it out. Roger. You too, Larry. You have a good one. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye, bye, bye.
All right there, Screwdriver. Take care. Take care of yourself there. Have yourself a good night.
There's a lot of noise out here, but nobody talking.
Everybody was waiting for you.
They were waiting for me to come out and try my Styker SR-447. That's what they were waiting for. That's right.
So what's going on there, Screwdriver? What's happening?
Just doing a little overtime, Roger. And hello, American Eagle.
10-4 on the overtime. Well, that's good. Go on, make the running and run.
So we just got done with this one and wanted to try it out. Roger.
Well, you're sounding good, man. It's good modulation over here. Sounds great.
You too, Larry. You have a good one. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Bye, bye, bye.
All right there, Screwdriver. Take care. Take care of yourself there. Have yourself a good night.